Welcome everybody. Now we're going to install the Designer software after you've downloaded it from the email that you were sent from DesignSew. Here we have the file, which is called dssetup.exe, and we're going to install this onto our Windows PC computer. To do that, double click on the application and it will open up. It'll open up an alert asking you if it's okay for this software to install onto your system. Select yes, and that will begin the installation process. Once the application installer opens up, you'll have the choice whether to install or don't install. We want to install this software onto our PC, so we'll click Install. That will give us the option to change the directory name where you're going to keep the software, but we're going to just use the default, which is Designer V6i. Then the software application will start to install onto your computer. This may take a few minutes, so I'm going to pause and we'll come back later to finish the process. Okay, I've started the video again because we're almost at the end of the progress bar here, and we've successfully installed the software. And now Designer is going to create a program group, and we're going to select OK for that, and it will open up the INI files and some other things that installers have to do. And congratulations, Designer Studio V6i has been installed successfully. OK. After installing, Windows may display the Program Compatibility Assistant. When this happens, just click this program installed correctly and you're done. We have the program group file, and you can see that you've got Designer and Register. What we're going to need to do is we're going to register the software. So when you first install, what you'll need to do is you'll need to double click on Register and open up the Register panel to start registering your software onto your system. Now with the Register panel up, we can register our software. So let's click into the first box here, and I'm going to paste the DesignSew account number and type in your password from your account and then select OK, and it should say success registration complete. Then select OK, and we'll go back to the program group here and double click on Designer V6 and wait for your software to open. Okay, I'm going to show you another feature, or I guess this would be an issue, and it's a Windows issue, being that Windows will not allow you to actually make, or an application to make changes to your computer as a security measure. But of course this is a problem if you want to actually save like your drawing files to the computer or to work with your computer. So you have to tell Windows that this is an okay application to make changes to your computer. And I know it's kind of awkward, but you have to right click on your application and you actually have to run it as admin. And for the register, you may have to do that depending on what your settings are. So we'll select Run as Administrator, and it'll ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your computer, and we'll hit Yes. The application for registering will pop up for you, and then put in your account number and your online account password that you got from DesignSew, and select OK, and there you go. You're now registered. So now what we're going to do is we just double click on Designer V6i, and that will open up the Designer software. Okay, so far so good. You've downloaded your software, you've installed it onto your computer, you've registered the software, and now you've opened it up and you're ready to start using the software to create your digital patterns. So congratulations for being the newest designer. So we'll select OK from the splash screen, unless of course we want to go into the file manager, designsew.com, which is this file here, or we can go into the PDF plotter if we want to plot out our patterns. But for now, let's go into the digitizer. So once we come to this splash screen, all you do is select OK because your password and ID number are already set. Now you've opened up the Designer interface and you're ready to start using Designer for your projects. Congratulations and thanks for now. Bye, and we'll catch you in the next lesson.